Hi guys, welcome to this video tutorial for XTool P2. Today we will show you how to replace the water level sensor. This video has 4 parts. In the first part, we will tell you how to take off the external covers and plates. Then, we will show you how to remove the water level sensor. In the third part, we will guide you on how to install a new one. In the fourth part, we will show you how to put all the parts back on. You'll need these tools or alternatives to finish the job. The 2-in-1 screwdriver comes with the machine, a cable tie, and a pair of scissors. Okay, let's dive right in. Disconnect the power supply of the machine. Use the hex head to remove the 5 screws on the rear upper cover. Then open the lid to remove the 6 screws on the inner side. Remove the rear upper cover. Pinch the fastening ring to remove the smoke exhaust pipe. Use the hex head to remove the 6 screws on the rear plate. Remove the rear plate. Remove the connection cable of the rear plate. Press down the connector of the air tube and take it out. Remove the connection cable of the fan. Remove the rear plate. Use the crosshead to remove the 6 screws on the front plate. Then take off the plate. Use the hex head to remove the 3 screws inside the left upper cover. Use the crosshead to remove the 2 screws in the front of the cover. Remove the left upper cover. Use the hex head to remove the 2 screws in the front of the left plate. Remove the 2 screws at the back of the plate. Remove the 3 screws at the bottom of the plate. Remove the left plate. Cut the cable tie fixing the water level sensor. Remove the hot melt adhesive on the sensor if any. Unplug the cable of the sensor on the water cooling control board. Remove the sensor. Connect the cable to the board. Thread the cable tie through the 2 holes in the water tank to fix the sensor. Connect the power supply and power on P2. Test if the water level sensor works properly. If the water level is higher than the sensor, the indicator on it should light up in solid red. If it doesn't light up, check if the water level is higher than the sensor or make sure it is fixed properly. Power off the machine and disconnect the power supply. Place the left plate back. Install the 3 screws at the bottom of the left plate. Install the 2 screws at the back of the plate. Use the hex head to install the 2 screws in the front of the left plate. Place the left upper cover back. Use the crosshead to install the 2 screws in the front of the left upper cover. Use the hex head to install the 3 screws inside the cover. Connect the air tube to the rear plate. Note: be careful not to make the air tube kink when installing the rear plate. If it is kinked, cut off the part and reinstall the air tube. Install the corresponding cables to the plate. Then place the rear plate back. Use the hex head to install the 6 screws on the rear plate. Install the smoke exhaust pipe. Install the 6 screws on the front plate. Use the hex head to install the 5 screws on the rear upper cover. Then open the lid to install 6 screws inside. Now it's done. You've finished the replacement of the water level sensor and the assembly of the whole machine. We hope this video is helpful. Feel free to contact the XTool support team if you have any questions.